What's up, guys? Today here with another video. We're gonna be walking down the street from over there. Now, like where that truck is over there. Huh? All the way to the stripes. What? I'm recording. I don't care. What'd you think of? Okay, so. Very hot outside. See? Huh? 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 I don't have like Wi-Fi. Dad needs to pay my phone to get like Wi-Fi, but it still works. It would just go slow. Like my music will work, but it would just go like slow. Go on, sir. Clash of Clans, yo. Okay, we're crossing the street. Very hot outside, bro. That wasn't me. That was the phone. That was these people. Jaden, what are views? What are views like on the one, like you go on the thing and you watch people's videos? There's like views.
That's you. Like you just said it. When you go on a person's video and you watch
so
it,
like,
that's a view.
Oh, okay.
You just said it.
So like when I watch like somebody and they have 3 million views and some, so that's how many people watched it. And so like people are the money, because like on the views, like when they get 100 views, they get like $2 every time. So the people are money. Wow.
Skirt.
Stop.
So stupid.
What?
Song. I don't even know how to sing.
Huh? I just want to come. Thought you might buy something for me.
No. Man, you don't buy me nothing. It's gonna be my birthday tomorrow and you haven't even got me nothing.
And you didn't get me nothing on my birthday, so.
You don't do nothing. Man, you suck at basketball. That's why no one passed you the ball yesterday. You couldn't even catch the ball.
Okay, the first one hit my finger. The second one, I'm just. Yeah.
You suck.
I know you're just trying to embarrass me in front of these people.
Right now, you suck. Against 5-on-5, or however many players you suck. Maybe you. Because, you know, you can get the ball from anyone. It's just 1-on-1. But 5-on-5, 2-on-2, no.
2-on-2, yes.
Maybe. Because there's no one else. It's just you and someone else. But 3-on-3, you know, like yesterday, or 4-on-4, couldn't even.
Okay, we arrived here. Shh, I'm gonna put ice in Jaden's back. Dang it! It fell on the floor.
Buy it. You have $2 there? You didn't even bring your card, did you?
No. I don't even bring my kid a card.
You told me to get that. Right now.
At least buy me a lollipop. It's like 50 cents. You gonna buy it? Okay. Yay! Finally didn't buy me something. Oh, the queen. Oh, Jaden, can I buy this? It's like $1. No? Okay. Lollipop it is. Hello. Yeah, you get fat. I feel like there's something on my shoe. Something on my shoe. Huh?
Freaking lollipop.
Dude, it cost 50 cents.
You should got me one. I like this.
Look at the camera, Daddy. Look at the camera. So you don't have a YouTube channel anymore?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh shit, police.
Oh shit, no.
Police. Oh, I thought we were gonna like get a warning. Huh? Like the police was right there.
So, you didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, what if we get like kidnapped? Huh?
Why did you put the warning? You're gonna give us a warning for?
We're like just like walking with no parental vision or whatever.
You're real close by. We're inside the house by ourselves.
Get off the street.
Come on, close up.
I remember the last time.
Yeah, you freaking dumbass over here opened the door to freaking God. Tell your grandma has a key.
That's why Mom should not leave us alone.
No, that's why you shouldn't freaking be stupid. She told you, don't open the door. Grandma has the key. And you still want to open the door.
I said it was I thought it was Grandma.
She has the key. She wouldn't knock. That's why I told you no, but you already went to open the door.
Yeah. Alright guys, I gotta go. Yeah, I was there. Yeah, peace. JK. Alright. We're almost there. There's a red truck that'll be. What, Chiquito? Hey guys. You guys gotta go. Peace.